Hi all, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing great. This is for those who want to learn PowerShell. Now we'll go through PowerShell commands. Before going to PowerShell commands, we need to launch PowerShell. For that, go to search, type PowerShell and open it. I'm clicking on run as administrator. Click on yes. Now we're able to see PowerShell window. Next command is start process. Start process command in PowerShell is used to launch an executable or start a new process on a Windows system. It allows to open applications, run scripts, launch files, or execute commands from within PowerShell. The syntax is start process hyphen file path. Then we have to give complete file path. For example, here I gave a start process hyphen file path, and we gave a complete path for Notepad to launch a Notepad application. Similar way, if you want to launch any app file, we can give complete path of the file. Now we'll see these examples in PowerShell. To start any process, we have to give start type in process, in file path, and we have to give complete file path. Here file path I am copying from my website. Here if you observe, we don't have any notepad opened yet. So once we press enter, notepad will be opened by start process command from PowerShell. See, notepad. We launched notepad application with the start process command. Similar way, if you want to open any file, also we can do with the start process command. Start process hyphen file path. I have to give file path as file. For that I will copy file path from my website. Now I have launched the HTML file. The second one, it won't work for you because it's a physical file which I have created in my desktop, but you can execute a notepad command, the first command. You can execute this one in your system as well. In the second command, you have to give complete file path of any of the file, any Word or Excel, anything from your system. You can give that complete file path of that file. It will launch that. This way we can start any process through PowerShell in a Windows system.